everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video with happiness and education, where everyone learns to smile. Are you ready to embark on a new adventure full of learning and fun? Well, I am. Today we're going to read The Perfect Cookie. So, this is part 5, and thanks for staying in the series. Let's start. Cookie Monster was mixing up cookie dough at his bakery. He did not use a measuring cup or measuring spoons. What is a measuring cup?
A measuring cup is a kitchen tool used to measure foods.
So basically, it's a tool used to measure foods, like eggs or cream, okay? Alright, so what do we find out? Cookie Monster is making cookies, okay? How did we find out? Because he was using cookie dough, okay? But they're saying he did not use any measuring tools. He put in a little bit of this and a little bit of that. He added some flour and beaten eggs with a whisk. Let's find out the meaning of whisk.
You use a whisk to whip foods like eggs or cream.
So it's used to usually mix food together. You see, it works almost like a spoon. So basically, Cookie Monster added the ingredients. He mainly added some flour and eggs, and he mixed them together with a whisk. But the first batch of the cookies came out of the oven much too dry. So Cookie Monster decided to try adding more liquid to the next batch. What is liquid?
A liquid is something that flows and takes the shape of any container, like water.
So a liquid is basically a watery thing that, well, can take the shape of anything. You know, the thing that is in. If you put it in a bowl, it'll take the shape of the bowl. Well, alright, now let me explain this page. When he took them out of the oven, they were very dry. They weren't good. So he tried making them again, but this time he added more liquid to the mixture. But the second dozen cookies came out of the oven wet and gloppy, and the third were very salty. Cookie Monster did not know what to do. He was worried.
A dozen is a group of 12 things.
So basically, a dozen means 12. So that means when he tried the second time, he made 12 cookies the second time. But this time, they were very bad. What? They were very wet. And when he tried the third time, they were too salty. Cookie Monster then got worried. He couldn't make his perfect cookie. Then Big Bird came by the bakery. He saw how worried Cookie Monster looked. He asked his friend what was wrong. "Me not sad," Cookie Monster answered. "Me want cookies so much me might even eat this recipe book." What is the meaning of a recipe book? Let's find out.
A recipe is a set of instructions to make a meal or snack.
So a recipe is it's is a book. A recipe is, instructions of how to make some food, snacks, meals. So, so when Big Bird came by, he asked Cookie Monster what was wrong. Cookie Monster said he was hungry and wanted cookies, but he couldn't make perfect cookies. He even said that he was so hungry he might even eat this recipe book. Big Bird looked at the book and laughed. "Don't eat the book, Cookie Monster," he said. "Read the book." So Cookie Monster did. This time, he followed the instructions carefully, measuring each ingredient. Let's find out what ingredient means.
An ingredient is one of the things that you use in a recipe.
So it's things that we use to make some food, okay? We use in a recipe. So Big Bird said, "Don't eat the book. Look at the book and see what it says. That how can we make a cookie?" So the Cookie Monster, followed each instruction very carefully and tried not to make a mistake. And it worked. When they came out of the oven, the cookies were perfect. Cookie Monster and Big Bird shared an enormous, delicious, warm cookie. Yum! Let's see what enormous means.
Enormous means really, really big.
It means something that is really big, okay? So this time when Cookie Monster followed the instructions, so we sh- so the cookies came out very good, and Big Bird and Cookie Monster shared a big delicious cookie together. The end. Well, this story tells us that we should always follow the instructions if we want to be successful. Alright, guys, I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it reading with me. Thanks for staying to the end of this series. And make sure to like and subscribe to support this channel. Alright, fellas, till then, it's me smiling and saying goodbye.